You are now watching Doorbell News.
Pembroke Pines, Florida. What's this lady doing? Looks like she's trying to wiggle a doorknob. We might have to let the dogs out in this episode. Yeah, she's definitely up to no good. Trying to open the window. We'll let the dogs out. Yeah, get lost. Oakland, California. Never know what you're gonna see at nighttime. It's almost Halloween. And always expect the unexpected. Waukesha, Wisconsin. Check this lady out. She's doing a little trick-or-treating for herself. Yeah, she's going around the neighborhood taking everything. Your welcome signs, your Halloween decorations. Yeah, be on the lookout for this lady. Chicago, Illinois. A perp gets busted. In the process, trying to break into someone's house. Yeah, your pumpkins ain't safe this Halloween. If you notice your Halloween decorations are gone, don't be surprised. Yeah, she's doing a little trick-or-treating of her own. What you gonna do, make a pumpkin pie or something with that? Get lost! Chicago, Illinois. What's this guy up to? It's 3 in the morning. This guy's definitely at the wrong house.
Hello, Miss Baldwin.
Miss Baldwin?
His daughter was just really hot.
Wrong house, buddy.
You're not gonna go with her? Maybe that'll figure out. I don't know.
Did he ring the doorbell with his nose?
What's up? So you don't know until what comes in front of your block.
Meanwhile, in Waukesha, yeah, this lady's about to have a yard sale or something. Except she's taking all the stuff from your yard and probably selling it. Look at her, stealing something else from someone's yard. Yeah. Yeah, then she does the mannequin challenge when a car drives by Detroit, Michigan. Look at this lady. She seems to be trying to charge her phone. I don't think she's up to anything malicious, but you never know.
I need help trying to find a charger to my phone.
Yeah. Meanwhile, in Chicago, this guy's still at someone's door.
Until I'm right in front of your block. Why the over there you actually with your daughter who I'd rather have with, right? Your daughter who I'd rather have with. Your daughter. Who would I rather such your daughter? You.
Oh.
You trust me?
You got the wrong house, buddy.
You trust me?
Get lost.
Who don't want to have with?
Meanwhile, in Watts, always gotta watch your back in the main streets of South Central Los Angeles. These 2 young guys were unlucky. They were at the wrong place at the wrong time. They ran into some real Halloween goons. Provo, Utah. This lady's just riding around with her dog and her shopping cart, grabbing plants and taking whatever she wants from people's front porch. Yeah, this is what entitlement looks like. That's not yours, lady. Put that back. Oh, she's just taking from everybody. Yeah, she must be running one of those yard sales too. Get lost. Meanwhile in Chicago, this guy slapped the door looking for someone's daughter, but he's at the wrong house. He definitely needs to get lost.
It's alguien más. Oh.
Yeah, this guy's out of his mind. Yeah, he's lucky he didn't come to my house.
My head hurts.
Yeah, I bet it does.
I'm feeling like
Yeah, you need to take yourself home. This isn't the place.
my head hurts. My head hurts. Oh my. Hold on. My head hurts.
Well, you need to go home and go to bed. Get lost. Meanwhile in Oakland, yeah, they're taking all the Halloween decorations. You might have to put your Halloween decorations behind the window or something. These guys pull up, steal some mannequin heads off of somebody's gate. Nothing is safe this Halloween. So petty. So petty. I don't get it. This is the second person that we seen today that goes around stealing with their dog with them. What is that, like your partner in crime or something? This guy has a dog in his hands, and then he steals from his neighbor while they're moving into their new home. Yeah, your neighbor's a scumbag.
Agustin.
Meanwhile in Chicago,
Agustin, if you please.
this guy's still
Go
outside.
inside, Agustin, and I will charge you, and I will show you how I am the best mother in the world. Agustin Ayala, por favor, por amor, déjame regresar con mi madre. Es lo único que te permito, regresar con mi madre. Es que enseñarle que esta manera es la única manera de seguir en su Padre Nuestro. Por favor, que siga en los sueños, que siga en su camino nuevo y que me enseñe qué es lo que es ser padre y que no es sufrir y estar de padre de la gente que los juzga. Por favor, un padre que los ame. Por favor, un padre.
I don't know what this guy's saying, but he definitely needs to get lost.
Please, un padre que nomás esté ahí, un padre que lo sepa qué hacer, un padre que lo
New
sepa
episode coming
qué
tomorrow.
amar, un padre que nomás
Make
esté
sure
ahí,
you like the
un
video.
padre que los
If you haven't
ame,
subscribed
un padre.
already, make sure you subscribe. Yeah.
Te amo un chingo, pero lo que haces por nosotros no es suficiente para reparar la vida que nos sufre a frente. No sufre la vida que tenemos en tus padres. No has sufrido la vida que te necesitamos. Tú eres una pinche miseria que padre que escogimos para mí. Tú eres una mierda en las recas que has escuchado. Te odio ahorita y para adelante hasta que tú seas una mujer que juzga y debe ser responsable por sus esposos. Jamás la haré. Te amo, pero eres una mierda.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.